So you're solving longitude and latitudes and you don't know how to find angular difference. All you need is this video. What you need to do to find the difference between the longitude or the latitude is simply to use these rules. So what do these rules mean? Difference in longitude and latitude when the longitude or latitude of the two places are on the same side. So when they're on the same side of the prime meridian or the hemisphere, you add. So when it's on the same side, you add. I'm going to show you. And when they're on different sides of the prime meridian, that is for the longitude, or hemisphere, that is for the latitude, you simply subtract. So let's look at how this is in practice. So here we are given some points. We have P and we have Q. So take a look at this. By the way, the first one is always your latitude, and the second one is always your longitude. So you have 40 degrees latitude here, and you have 35 degrees south latitude. While we have 52 degrees east longitude and 52 degrees east longitude. What does that mean? It means that they are on the same longitude. So the next thing to draw is your globe. So you draw your globe, you draw your prime meridian, that's your north and your south. Then you draw your equator line. 0 degrees is your equator. Then 40 degrees north. North is up here. So it starts from 0 and goes up to the north 90 degrees. So I'm going to draw your latitude line, 40 degrees north. I can write north or I can omit the north, but that is it. Then 35 degrees south. So 35 degrees south is here. So from 0 down to here is 90. 35 degrees south, somewhere here, 35 degrees south. Good. So they're on the same longitude, 52 degrees east on this side. So we draw. Then this is 52 degrees east. So they're on the same longitude. This point is P, and this point is Q. So what's the question I will ask now is, are they on the same hemisphere? So here you see this point is up, it's at the top part, the northern hemisphere, while this point is at the bottom part, the southern hemisphere. What does that tell you? From our rule, if they're on different sides, do you add or subtract? You add. So they're on different sides, you add. What does that mean? I'm going to simply add 40 and 35. So my angular difference is 40 degrees plus 35 degrees, which is 75 degrees. So you might not need to draw the globe, but I just wanted to visualize it for you so that you see it. Once you know that on different sides, this is north, this is south, just add. Let's look at C and D. So here again, they have the same longitude, but this time is on the west, so 50 degrees west. So you can draw it 50 degrees west. So this one is on 35 degrees north. So 35 degrees north is not here. Let me just draw 35 degrees north. Maybe this is from 0 to 90, so 35 degrees will be below 40 degrees. So 35 degrees north. Then 35 degrees south, exactly where this other one was. So 35 degrees south, you already have it drawn. 35 degrees south, there's no need to write it on this other side. So C is 35 degrees north and 50 degrees west. That is exactly at this point here. While D is 35 degrees south here and 50 degrees west. That's this point here. So C and D. Good. Again, are they on different hemispheres? Yes, they are. C is in the northern, while D is in the southern. What do? You simply add. What are you adding? 35. And you're also adding 35. So the angular difference for this one is 35 degrees plus 35 degrees. That gives you 70 degrees. These questions are when they have the same longitude. And the next one we're going to do when they have the same latitude. So for these ones, I really don't need the globe. I didn't need it for A and B. Like I said, I just wanted you to see it. So I'm not going to be using the globe for this one. We'll just do it without using the globe. We check. We have the same latitude, 50 degrees north, 50 degrees north. But here, this is 25 degrees east, meaning that it will be on this side. While this is 80 degrees east, meaning that it's also on this side. And the rule states that where they are on the same side, that you subtract. So your angular difference will be 80, is 80 here, minus 25, and that will give you 55 degrees. Simple and short, without the globe. Let's do D. D, we have the same latitude again. So latitude 60 degrees, latitude 60 degrees. The difference is their longitude. So this is 30 degrees east. That means it's on this side, the right side. While this is 65 degrees west, meaning that it's on this side. So Q will be somewhere on this side, while M will be somewhere on this other side. So when they're on different sides, you add. So the angular difference for D would be 65 plus 30, which is 95 degrees. So just go over the rules, go through the examples, and that's it. Catch you on the next video.